The next part of that exercise, nos enfants, and the verb given is se lever. Now the subject is nos enfants, so it is either il or elle, right? So nos enfants. So for il or elle, sa remains the same, and the conjugation of lever is lève. Se lève. Nos enfants se lèvent seuls. Il, and the verb given is s'habiller. Again now the subject is il, so se, and for il it is habille. Il s'habille et se préparer is the verb. Again se préparer becomes prépare. Se le matin. Nous, and the verb given is se voir. For nous, again the reflex is nous, and for voir, the nous conjugation is voyons. Nous voyons quand ils rentrent dans l'école. Et toi, so the sentence is over here. Et toi, à quelle heure tu, and the verb given is se lever. So the subject here is tu. So se becomes te. Te, and since it is an ER verb, tu te lèves. Nos enfants se lèvent seuls. Ils s'habillent et se préparent seuls le matin. Nous voyons quand ils rentrent de l'école. Et toi, à quelle heure tu te lèves? So now you know how to write the verbs with the reflexive. So you have to see the subject. Based on the subject, you have to write the reflexive noun followed by the conjugated form of the verb.